Let's go, let's go, let's go. Rich and Quan got it going on. The vibes right, homie, the show is on.
What's good, team? Rich and Quan.
It's your girl, Rissa G.
And it's your boy Quan, together unstoppable.
And unbreakable.
What's good, y'all? So right now we're about to head to the eye doctor. We felt like this step was necessary because my eye infection hasn't gotten much better, and it's been a couple of days now. And I refuse to put my contact on top of this infected eye. So we're about to head to the eye doctor and get my eyes checked out. And I feel like this step was necessary because I need some glasses, man. I can't constantly wear my contacts. I feel like the reason why my eye did get infected is because I've been wearing my contacts every single day for 24 hours every day. And I hope those who wear contacts learn a lesson from my experience, because everything was sweet for a while I was wearing contacts, and then now my eye is all messed up. So we're about to head to the eye doctor. I'm praying for the best. I hope that I could just get some glasses and my eye heals up. They could give me some eye drop or something to heal my eye up. But yeah, we basically want to take you guys on this vlog because you are like a part of our family, and we just want to take you on this experience.
So you feel like you'll never wear contacts again?
I don't ever want to wear contacts again. I want to get this LASIK surgery.
He doesn't literally mean he was wearing them for 24 hours. Like, he would take them out when he went to sleep, but he's just saying like all day
every
he
day.
Had them in. And you're not supposed to wear them all day, right? You're supposed to, they say like 8 hours max. So he was definitely wearing them longer than that.
I'll wear them from morning
till night.
To night. So
that's not good. So also it's been like a rough past couple of days, honestly, because like you said, he hasn't had his contacts in, so he's like walking around like as blind as a bat. Sorry, baby.
It's been real tough.
It's been blurry for him like all day. But the good note, his eye is less red. He hasn't really had migraines, so that's the good part. But like you said, we're gonna go to the vision center right now. Hopefully they could check him out, and yeah, we're just gonna take you guys along the process. Despite the fact that he pranked me the other day with a very cruel prank. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I've still been taking care of him, being the best girlfriend I can be. Whatever. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys along the process today. So we'll see you guys once we get to the vision center. Alright, you guys, so I know I said we'll see you once we reach the vision center, but as you can see, Quan is not in the vehicle right now. We decided to stop at Dunkin' Donuts real quick so he could get an iced tea, and then we're gonna run to the bagel shop, get some bagels, so we have something in our stomach, because I feel like today's gonna be a long day. So I decided that I wanted to pull this like little funny prank on him. Like, listen, he pulled a prank on me while he wasn't feeling well the other day. He was feeling much worse, so I feel like it won't be that bad if I do something dumb and silly today. I think he'll be perfectly fine. So don't bash me in the comments, okay? My baby is doing better. So it's time for me to come back with a funny, silly little prank. So basically, I'm going to be moaning every single time I eat or drink something. I don't know why this like came in my head. I just feel like it would be super hilarious, and Quan always gives us the best reactions. So I feel like this video is going to turn out hilarious. So just make sure you stay tuned. He's inside Dunkin' Donuts right now. As you can see, we're at Dunkin' Donuts. So he's getting me an iced tea, and once he gets back in the car with my drink, it's on and popping. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for some good laughs, and just make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn on your post notifications. Follow us on IG, and check out RissandQuanMerch.com.
We go to bagel time. I'm hungry as hell.
I figured we definitely should get something to eat because it's gonna be a long day, probably.
Yeah. My head is coming.
Dang. Oh, your head's burning again?
Yeah.
Dang, dude.
Well, not OD.
They did liquid sugar, right?
Yeah.
Wow, they always put so much ice.
Oh, so much. You should have told me. I would have told them like ice.
It's okay.
Shit, mad cold. What was that about? It tastes that good? Try again. It do not taste that good.
Dang, baby. I mean,
What?
it's not good.
You serious?
Yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
Try it.
Taste it.
It's sweet. Yeah.
It tastes like a regular sweet tea. You over there grunting and moaning and shit. It don't taste that good.
Yes, it do. Look at me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
You got issues.
I'm freaking hungry too.
I'm starving.
I got issues. I got issues.
Cause you over
Let me
there
take
being
one more
sexual.
sip for the road.
Stop being sexual.
Oh my god. Damn. I be hitting the spot every time.
That's like the most basic iced tea ever.
I can't see through your big old head, boy.
I can't see anything. My head not even big. They're not big. Fuck it.
Yeah, it is little. So guys, we're at the bagel shop right now, and I have to tell you, last night I must have slept totally wrong on my neck. I have a freaking crick in my neck. I could barely turn my neck to the left right now.
Guys, she has not stopped complaining like since the morning time. Like, I got this messed up eye, and she been complaining more than me.
No, I know like your situation is more intense and more important, but like this shit hurts so bad. I could barely order just now. I'm like looking at the lady like,
you gotta stretch it out.
I know. I think I have to put like a
you
knee
probably
pack on it.
slept real wrong.
I don't
know. You look comfortable. She looked comfortable last night sleeping.
You know what
so
it was?
I don't know.
Sometimes like when I sleep like on your chest.
On both of them?
Yes, like thank you. See? Shit.
What
It just
happened?
hurt.
Oh, you could tell me I want an apple juice too.
Yeah, I got you, baby. Anyways, sometimes when I sleep like on your chest or your shoulder, your chest is so high, like cause it's big, my neck be like this, and I fell asleep, and then I think that's what did it, cause my neck was like that. So we just parked up really quick so we could eat our bagels before we head over to the Vision Center. It's only down the road, so
Yeah.
we're like right there. Huh?
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I feel you on that. Stop. Horny or something?
No. Isn't it good?
Really good. She's moaning for though.
What am I what?
Moaning for.
I'm not moaning.
You must be horny or something for real. I'll give you something to moan about.
What?
So I give you something to moan about.
Baby, when something tastes good, you don't just like.
Yeah, but I ain't doing all that extra stuff. That's unnecessary.
How's it extra?
Yeah, extra. You good? You gotta be doing all that.
You're not really tasting it in your mouth.
I am. It's good, but
no, because it would make you moan too.
I don't know. Man, wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth. You got seeds on your mouth and stuff.
Seeds?
From the everything bagel. Stop.
Alright, I'm gonna finish my bagel. We'll see y'all when we get to the Vision Center. Alright, you guys, so we're finished with the eye exam. Quan's gonna tell you how that went in a few minutes, but I just want to share that we stopped at Stewart's to get some ice cream because I was craving ice cream like crazy. I don't know. My baby got what you got? Cookies and cream?
Yeah, cookies and cream.
And I got chocolate rainbow sprinkles. You know how I do my sugar cone on top, just in case y'all didn't know about this. This is what I do with the sugar cone. I gotta put them on again, baby.
So extra.
So I break the sugar cone on top. Y'all should try it. It is bomb. It's like an extra topping. Don't even say nothing, okay?
It's so unnecessary.
Just let me enjoy it. It's good.
I don't do anything. Yeah.
My mouth watering already.
So. Yeah. Don't start again with your shit.
What?
Why you moaning?
It's good.
Guys, she's so extra. I don't know why she been like eating stuff like this.
It's good. Y'all don't moan when something's good?
That's so uncalled for.
No, it's not, baby.
It is. Like, can you stop? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I see somebody waving. Hi, is that to us?
I don't know. Nah, on a real note though, I was just messing around with you today.
What?
Like every time I was eating or drinking something, I was moaning to see how you would react.
I figured you was doing something like that. But
yeah, so yeah, I was messing with you today, but let me get serious now because Quan wants to let you know how his appointment went.
So I got some good news and some bad news. I would say the good news outweighs the bad news because for one, I'm gonna start with the good news. I'm getting glasses, actually 2 pairs of glasses. What else? I can see, and I will be able to wear contacts again. The bad news is that, as y'all know, I had an eye infection, but I also have a scar on my cornea, so sadly I can't get the LASIK eye surgery. 1. 2, I have to take 6 months off of wearing contacts so that this scar can heal. So y'all gotta get used to me wearing glasses. I have to get used to wearing glasses and seeing myself with glasses on, unfortunately. And yeah, what else? And another bad news is that I could have possibly blind myself.
Yeah.
Because I didn't notice that I had a scar on my cornea, but if it was in the middle of my cornea, I could have went blind. So I'm just thankful that I took that. I took it in my own hands to go to the eye doctor.
Thank God.
Yeah, and go get my eyes checked out because my eyesight definitely got worse. And on top of it, I could have messed my eye up even more. So I'm just grateful. And yeah, so y'all gotta get used to me wearing glasses. I'm gonna be wearing glasses.
Yes.
For the most part,
but
all the time
it's better
now.
off. He was really upset at first, but like,
yeah.
I told my baby, you still the sexiest man alive. I don't care if you got glasses. I love you any way, shape, or form. So just let him know down in the comments, like, it's fine. A lot of people have glasses. You'll be okay. I know it's something you're gonna have to get used to.
Yeah,
but it's not the end of the world.
To.
Like you said, it could have been way worse. You could have ended up going blind in your right eye. Your infection could have led to something, I don't know, something worse. You know what I'm saying? So if the worst thing is that you have to take 6 months off from wearing contacts and have glasses on the side, just, you know, give your eyes a break.
I'll take that and going blind or anything worse. So.
Exactly. So we just wanted to keep you guys up to date with what's been going on. I did a little prank on you today. It wasn't nothing too harsh because I didn't want to be too mean under the circumstances. It was weird.
Yeah, that was weird.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, just make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you're new, turn on your post notifications so you have the chance to get a shout out. Check out Riss and Quan merch, and you guys already know we will be back with more videos. Peace.
It's 4 AM in Hawaii. I got you all on my mind. You bad as hell, I can't lie. I need you, girl, in my life. Cause I can't wait till I get